Welcome back, guessers. This is Would You Rather, Candy and Snacks Mystery Dish Edition. Let's find out which candy or snack you'll get in the mystery dish. Would you rather have Skittles, animal crackers, or try the mystery dish? Jelly beans, Snickers, goldfish crackers, or the mystery dish? Popcorn, Kit Kat, Pringles, or what's in the mystery dish? Pop-Tarts, would you rather have Twizzlers, Lay's, or the mystery dish? Fruit snacks, Reese's Cups, Doritos Nacho Cheese, or the mystery dish? Cotton candy, Sour Patch Kids, Cheez-Its, or what's in the mystery dish? M&M's, Milky Way, pretzels, or the mystery dish? Gummy bears, would you rather have Hershey's bar, Cheetos, or the mystery item? Swedish fish, would you rather have Twix, nachos, or the mystery dish? Fruit roll-ups, Reese's Pieces, Triscuits, or mystery item? Airheads, Butterfinger, Sun Chips, or the mystery dish? Sour Worms, Crunch Bar, Salted Nits, or the mystery dish? Marshmallows, would you pick Almond Joy, Pretzel Bites, or the mystery item? Sweethearts, Pop Rocks, Hickory Sticks, or mystery treat? Funyuns onion, Starburst, Fritos corn chips, or the mystery dish? Nutella and Go, which option would you choose here? Oreos, Ring Pop, Hostess Twinkies, or what's in the mystery dish? Whatchamacallit, Mars Bar, Pita Chips, or the mystery item? Hot Cheetos. Gobstopper, York peppermint patties or the mystery dish. Whoppers. Would you rather have Toblerone, caramel popcorn, or mystery dish? Twix. Jolly Rancher, rolled gold sticks or the mystery item. Trail mix. Milk Duds, Yugel's Originals, or the mystery dish. Chocolate chip cookies. Hershey Kisses, Sour Skittles, or the mystery dish. Sun Chips Harvest Cheddar. Would you pick caramel apple, racines, or the mystery item? Candy corn. Fireballs, Rice Krispies treats, or the mystery dish. Hostess cupcakes. Lifesavers, Bugel's nacho cheese, or the mystery treat. Chips Ahoy. Which option would you choose here? Takis. Laffy Taffy, Fritos Honey Barbecue, or the mystery dish. Red Vines. Mike and Ike, Fritos Chili Cheese, or Watson the mystery dish. $100 grams. Junior Mints, Bugel's Caramel, or the mystery dish. Charleston Chew. Baby Ruth, Little Debbie Honey Buns, or the mystery item. Lay's Lemon Chips. Payday, Doritos Cool Ranch, or Watson the mystery dish. Reese's Fast Break Bar. Milky Way Midnight, Drake's Coffee Cakes, or the mystery dish. Ruffles Flamin' Hot. 3 Musketeers Bar, Utz Salt and Vinegar, or Watson the mystery dish. Utz Ripples. Here are some other videos that I think you would definitely love, so click on them and enjoy.